Come on.
Okay, so our situation is normal as everybody else's. We just dumped our black tank and the indicators are saying it is 2/3 full. Our black tank is always 2/3 full. Whether we empty it, used it for a week, our gray is empty because we just dumped. Freshwater is full because we just filled up the tank. So that's what we're doing right now, is Mark is replacing the sensors for the black and gray tank. So Mark,
Yes.
what are you doing?
I'm disconnecting old probes that are in the tank. That's what they look like once you pull them out. I'm not using the best tools here, but this has 2 screws on it. You'll see that's what makes the contact, but that's what gets gunked up
Ew,
on the inside of the tank.
lovely.
So we're
So that's
replacing
why
them.
we always get false readings.
Yep. And we're replacing them with these things.
And what are these?
Miracle probes from Horst.
Ooh,
Actually, I think they're Valterra. I think Horst might be the guy.
okay.
But these things are similar in that they go into the tank same way.
Uh-huh.
But you see where the probe is out here,
Yeah.
and then see this is insulation material
Yes.
so that it can't short against the inside of the tank.
Okay.
This was in the inside of the tank. Any kind of gunk that's there lays on the tank wall and makes contact.
Okay.
And just film up here.
Yeah.
This is your 1/3.
Uh-huh.
That's 2/3.
Wait, I can't see that. There it is. Okay.
And then way up at the top, you don't have to see it, is the
Okay.
full sensor. And down here at the bottom, where that hole is, right there. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to put this thing in the hole.
Okay.
That's the probe, the new probe. When you make electrical contact between that, which is the common, and 1/3, the 1/3 light lights up.
Okay.
Then when water gets up to here, it makes contact between here and the bottom one and this one, and then 1/3 and 2/3 light up. Then when the full one sees water, there's contact between the full, the common, so that lights up the full, and these still have contact, so it lights up the 1/3 and 2/3 as well.
Okay.
So then all you have to do with these things, allegedly, is drop the screw.
Well, that's required, I think.
Yep, I dropped it. Who knows? Could be anywhere. There it is. We'll edit that out.
Uh-huh.
So you put this in, tighten it up, and what that does, when it tightens it, the screw pulls against the rubber, and this expands in the hole to make it a watertight fit.
Okay.
The gray tank has just the regular probe. The black tank has something different on it. I don't know if we're going to get to those because we're full time and I don't carry a whole kit of tools with me. Suppose I should, but I don't. I can get most of the stuff done with what I have. I'm guessing that's pretty tight. Yep.
Okay, you want to show the black water tank ones, why they're different?
Oh, sure. 1 second. Black water tanks. These have a hood on them. Black water, gray water. The difference is when this is in the tank, no toilet paper can come down and hit right on here. It won't stick on it so that you're not having a piece of toilet paper getting against the tank. Like this one could have a piece of toilet paper over the edge to the edge of the tank, and that would give it conductivity. With this, it's supposed to keep the paper off it. I was going to say crap, but I don't think you can say that.
Okay.
That's that. I think one's in. This has got that hood thing. Probes underneath, hood's on top. If you look at the end of the shaft here, it's got a little notch on it that's ground into it, and that corresponds with the hood or tent that's on here. So when you put it in, you want it to be that way so that the hood is up. So the flat part goes down on the grind when you stick this into the tank.
Okay.
Good girl. Good girl.